So I'm sitting here and outside I'm looking and it's raining, and if you're a Jamaican you'll understand this, because sometimes you think of it that coming to America is all about, you know, the money, the opportunity, the better life, because that's what they sell. But nobody really talks about when the moments hit you where you're missing certain things about your home. For me right now, I feel like I want some ackee and some saltfish, some callaloo, I want some dumpling, I want some juicy beef patty, and I can't find it. I miss all of those things. At work here, yes, you're doing your job very, very good. You're doing it perfectly. And sometimes I feel as though you're invisible, you're misunderstood. Sometimes you're having to prove yourself twice as hard, you understand, to the individuals out there. But being Jamaican for me in America here is not about where you live or where I live. It's about being Jamaican inside of my heart here. It's about bringing or being Jamaican wherever I go. And so if you're one individual out there and you're feeling that way, I want you to know that I see you, I hear you, I feel you. We hear you, we feel you, we see you, and we're in this together. So I don't want you to feel as though you're alone out there. A lot of us are feeling that way, but once you're Jamaican, you will always be Jamaican. So just bring that with you wherever you are, and hopefully that will bring you some comfort. Until then, I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.